In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to build a personalized and professional welcome email sequence for your brand. Let's get started. I'll start by opening ChatGPT and setting up my writing assistant with a clear persona. I have a prompt ready that explains exactly who I am. Josh, a content creator and educator helping professionals grow their businesses. It is very important to me that these emails sound warm, conversational, and genuine rather than robotic, so I am including those specific tone instructions. I'll paste this into the chat bar and hit enter so the AI understands the foundation for everything we are about to write. Now that ChatGPT has updated its memory and confirmed it's ready to help, I can move on to the first email in the sequence. I'll head over to my notes and copy the prompt for my welcome email, which targets new subscribers who just downloaded my free content creation checklist. I'm asking for a warm introduction that stays under 200 words to keep it punchy. I'll paste that into the chat, and as you can see, it instantly generates a friendly message that delivers the link and tells my new subscribers exactly what to expect from being on my list. Next, I want to send a follow-up email 2 days later to provide even more value. I'm grabbing my prompt for the second email, which focuses on a simple trick for generating content ideas. I'll paste this into ChatGPT, and it provides a great lesson on turning everyday questions into content. I love how it ends with a soft question to encourage the reader to hit reply and start a real conversation with me. 4 days after the first email, I want to build a deeper personal connection. I'll copy my prompt for the third email, which asks for a short story about a challenge I faced when I first started out. I'll paste it in, and the AI generates a relatable story about the importance of consistency over perfection. This helps my audience see the human side of my journey, which builds a lot of trust. Finally, 6 days after they join my list, I'm ready to introduce my paid content creation course. I'll copy the final prompt, which transitions from the free value I've shared into a soft pitch for the full course. I'll paste this last request into the chat. ChatGPT wraps up the sequence by highlighting the benefits of a clear system and providing a natural call to action without being too pushy. Just like that, I have a complete, cohesive 4-part email sequence ready to go. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.